All right, so let's talk about degrees. We're going to be starting to make unit circles soon. I don't know if you've ever heard of the unit circles when it comes to trigonometry, but we need to figure out how to make those. But first, we need to start with the more basics, okay? So we are going to draw these angles in what we typically see as an XY coordinate system. The real name for this is the Cartesian coordinate system. So don't let it scare you. It's something we've been working with when we graph lines or anything else, okay? We always are going to start on this axis. We always start on the positive axes, okay? Positive x-axis. This is also known as 0 degrees. If we wanted to go positive degrees, we always start on the positive x-axis. If we want positive degrees, we need to go up and around, okay? So this one we need to go, that's counterclockwise. So we need to move upward. Okay, if we wanted to do negative degrees, we are going to move downward. From where? Always the positive x-axis. Okay, so we would start here, and then this one we would move downward. This would be a negative degrees. Okay, so this would be a clockwise direction. Okay. Let's see, what else can we talk about? If we have our starting side, so let's say we wanted to go over here, okay? We're gonna have our little arc, measures our degrees, and then we have this, looks like a ray, right? Starts at the origin and goes off. That would be a ray. This is called the terminal side. Okay, that is the ending. Terminal is also the same word as ending side, okay? We always start here. This is sometimes known as the initial side, our starting side, okay? But we could go around and then back up there, right? Same ending spot. We just have much more measurement and movement, right? So we didn't just go this degree. We went all the way around and then some. So this, if you're looking at the green, that angle is called the coterminal side. So coterminal angles are angles that are increased or decreased by multiples of 360 all the way around. Terminal means ending, coterminal, another ending, essentially, okay? So multiples of 360. So let's look really quick. We could do, let's go down here in the quadrant 3. We could have this guy, or we could have a coterminal angle. Let's go negative this time. My ending spot is still the same. It's still on that ray. It's just a matter of, do we go up and positive or do we go negative? That's a whole circle. Circles are 360. So negative 360 and then some more negative, okay? So coterminals are angles that are just increased or decreased by multiples of 360. We could go around 10 times if we wanted to, or we could just go around once, or we could go around less than once. Okay, so let's look at this. We want to find the measure of, well, it says orange, but on the PowerPoint slide that I made this on, it was orange. So we'll just call that yellow angle, okay? So we want to find the measurement of this angle. They're telling us 60 degrees. It makes no sense for this orange angle to really be 60 degrees. Because if you remember from our Cartesian coordinates, right, this is 0. This is 90 degrees, this is 180 degrees, this is 270 degrees, and then also, if we go all the way around, we get 360 degrees. That does not look like a 9. So it can't be 60. This portion right here is 60 degrees, but we got more than that on that lovely little curve, right? We have this little piece that's 60, but let's start, we always start on the x positive, right? So start on the x positive right here. We're going, there's 60 degrees, there's some more degrees, I don't really know, but then I stopped again. I got all the way around. So far, can you see that that is a different color? That's pink. That pink angle is 360 degrees because I went all the way around, and then we went 60 degrees more. So 360 plus 60 degrees, what is that? 420 degrees is that angle. Okay, so now let's do this one. All right, let's see if I can get zoomed in a little bit better so you guys can see it. Autofocus. Come on, little buddy. There we go, much better. Okay, so if we look at our starting, we always start on the positive x. From this little curve is going up, correct? So we know we're talking about a positive degree of some sort, okay? So let's see, how many times did we go around? We went around 1 time, so that's a positive 360 degrees. Let's do in different colors so you can see it a little.